Hey, we're going to show you guys how to make the orange, red, Thai red springtail habitat here. It's a pretty easy process. We've had a lot of success breeding these types of springtails this way, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the very first is red lava rock. That's the base of the terrarium, if you will, the breeding habitat. The reason we use the red is because the red has a lot of space in it, a lot of room for them to crawl around on, creates a nice base. Put in the water, it'll be a nice layer. We want to make like a pretty solid, like 2-inch layer or something like that of the red. And they're going a lot faster than I thought. You see, this is not a difficult process. And just make sure there's nice spacious gaps for them to get between. Oh, and one thing to note is not to drop rocks in, place them in, or they could crack your thing. So you see that's a nice base of red rock. We'll kind of even it out a little bit. Now what we do is we do the black lava rock. You can see it's a lot smaller, very tiny, and the purpose of this is to like give them a means to crawl down to the water, which will come later at the bottom, which will be under and around the black lava rock. So I'm going to put this here, all up in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of do like a half and half on this black lava rock to coco coir substrate. So let me get our coir here, and I'll pour in a little bit on this side. This stuff you can be a little indiscriminate with. It's pretty benign. Oop, I'm definitely spilling. Forgive me. I want to even it out here for sure. Like I said, we kind of want a nice 50-50 split of this black lava rock to this nice coco coir. Let's see if we can kind of get that thing there. Oh, and something that we have to mix into this coco coir is going to be some of this here activated charcoal. Just throwing like a pretty healthy amount. And we're also going to toss in a nice little handful of calcium. It's probably more than enough in there. Showing our dolomite calcium. Alright, then we will give that a nice healthy toss into the coco coir substrate so I can get, spread out in there. And at this point, we're probably gonna add in some water. Well,
do we do leaf litter at all?
No. Some people can. You can throw in leaf litter. Leaf litter is good for them. Leaf litter is good. You can use leaf litter. Nothing wrong with that. They like leaf litter. Let's see. Put a little bit more maybe. At this point, you could pretty easily throw in some plants into the coir side. Plants are not necessary, but of course they make the environment a little more beautiful and hospitable. All that kind of stuff. We'll have pictures and videos and examples of ones of ours that do have plants, so don't worry. But that's kind of the end result, what it's going to look like. We're going to go ahead and add some water in. I guess we can pause the video to get some water. Okay, so we're going to add the water into this. The idea is you want to... we're just going to let it trip down the side, it's fine. You want to add water so that it comes to the bottom. You can see here, basically you want to leave some of the red rock exposed. And one thing to note when you do this is your red rock and stuff will soak up some of the moisture in here, so you may have to add in water a second time. But that pretty much sums it up. What?
Pour it over the rock.
Oh, yeah.
The coco coir.
Dude, and yeah, of course, pour it over the rocks and not the coir, as that is, you know,
so
not
it'll go to the bottom.
Yes, and not damage your. Put some more in. And that'll get soaked up a little bit and probably drop a little bit more. But yeah.